We start by selecting one patient as a target patient. Now the visualization shows up. Let me pan it to the current point in time. This line is the current state of the patient. Look on the right side. You see that the majority of the patients stop here. But for the people who didn't stop here, the tallest bar, or the majority, is this one. When I move the mouse over, the tooltip gives more details that these patients had pleural effusion after the current state. On average, it took 10 months to develop this symptom, and the average outcome is 0.7, which is pretty good. You can also see that the highlighted parts are green. But there are also riskier paths, such as this one. Some patients had AP edema after the current state and finally die. Or another path is HJ reflux, which is also red. The average time from the tooltip kind of tells you that although the symptom didn't appear in 3 months, you shouldn't think that it won't occur, because it had occurred after 1 year and 4 months in the past. So it may be a better idea to keep monitoring for these symptoms. So far, we have looked into the future. Let's take a look back into the past to see which path did this target patient take. I move the mouse over this checkbox, and the target path is highlighted. Also, by looking at the patient history in this dataset, we notice that having different first symptoms might lead to different outcome. Look at our patients who had PN dyspnea first. When I highlight it, all paths are red. They all died. Although this is a correlation, which may not be causal, you may have seen Outflow's potential to help users find patterns that may lead to discoveries.